I had a great time at In Holland Composites.
My time at the Composites Lab was quite a unique experience.
So my time spent here, I would say, was very productive for me.
Well, I liked it here. I surely had some high expectations, like I already met some of you before I even started here. And I got some good vibes from here.
The team that I've worked with was very friendly, and I got to know almost everyone.
Why I chose to come here is the opportunity to be able to learn a lot of new things.
But on the other hand, I had an in-hand, I had a on-hand, who was that?
If you can ask for help and get help, this helps quite a lot with your process.
I had an on-hands, yeah. It was quite a nice environment to work with.
Terrible. Ruben is the worst co-worker ever.
Well, I quite like it that we were all just like gathered there together. Like everybody helped each other when we have a question. Everybody was just ready to help.
I feel the combination of colleagues here, so there are more experienced colleagues, but also younger colleagues who recently graduated, is a nice combination.
The engineers here and the people working here were really helpful. They gave me a lot of good tips and of how to work, not just related to my project, but how to work, how to look at things.
My colleagues, co-graduates, were very cool people, and they worked tirelessly.
Because you get to feel as part of a team. Also, even though you're a graduate student, you feel like you're part of the team.
It was not only a professional aid, it was also a friendship. It's good, I like it.
And also everybody is very open to helping you because they've been through a similar process that you're going through now, so they know some of the struggles and where you need help with.
I really appreciated the atmosphere that we created for each other. I think a lot of when you're around people like this, you're a lot more motivated to do your own work. No, really.
Start writing. As soon as possible, start writing.
My advice to okay.
So my first piece of advice is that stress is normal.
When you're writing your report, make sure that you write your report as you go.
Yeah, I don't know what my advice would be. I don't know. Everything's gonna work out. I have these like feel-good moments. I don't know.
My advice to graduate students that are looking for their
Stress is constant and it doesn't get better ever.
I have the disadvantage of living on the other side of the country, but it also meant that I had to spend 3 hours a day in a train, and I've spent that time writing on my report, which meant I didn't experience, well, I did experience some stress, but not as much as my peers, I would say.
If it seems like there's no return, that is true, but maybe it works out by the end.
Shout out to my friends, shout out to Ruben, my supervisor, shout out to my to my supervisor from university.
My shout out goes to the entire Compo team, all the cool people working in here.
Yeah, okay, parents would be good. Thank you for financing 4 years of my life in this very expensive small Dutch village/city.
And of course, special thanks to my supervisor Arnold.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. Shout out to Jonas.
I want to give a shout out to Ruben for being a pain in my ass for 5 months.
Vladimir Kornai, also known as Vladimir Chorny, the big Serbian, for sharing this path together with me.
Also to Chisholm and Joshua for the whole experience at In Holland. Together we did it.
Shout out to everyone who's listening.
please invite me over in the future. I want to see where my project has been taken. Thank you.
And also, finally, I want to give a shout out to the Netherlands as a country and your weather. It is currently the 14th of June. It's 15 degrees and my heating turned on last night in my house. Thank you.
I'll see you in a bit.
Compo team.
Nice.